Get ready for a smoky, cheesy barbecue chicken pizza that looks absolutely irresistible. Start with fresh pizza dough and place it on a baking tray. Spread a generous layer of smoky barbecue sauce over the base. Now cover it with plenty of shredded mozzarella cheese. Add juicy, fully cooked, seasoned barbecue chicken pieces all over. Top it with thinly sliced red onions and a little more mozzarella. Finish with a barbecue sauce drizzle, Italian seasonings, and cracked black peppers. Place the prepared pizza on a baking tray, then carefully slide it into a hot oven. Bake until the cheese is bubbling, the toppings are roasted, and the crust turns beautifully golden. Look at that golden, cheesy barbecue chicken pizza straight from the oven. Add some fresh parsley, then slice it into perfect triangles. And now for the best part. Look at that incredible cheese pull. This pizza is seriously irresistible.